Hi, I'm Saadia from Skyspoc, and in this video I'll show you how you can create documents. Right now I'm logged in as a user with basic user privileges, that is with the role as a requester. When you want to create a new document, you can click on New right here, and you'll see there's a small search engine-like feature here that works much like Google. You can start typing and it will suggest options to you based on the document types that you may have access to, or you can click View All to see all the different types of documents. At the moment, I only have access to one document type called Order Standard Device. To create a new document, you can click on New. Let us go through this page now. There's a little note under Guidance on top here that explains what you should do. Under General, you have the name of the document and the requester's name. In most document types, the requester's name is filled in automatically, so you can just move on and choose a device. Pick the one you need, then choose the delivery date. Next, you can either choose to save a draft or submit. In this case, I will submit it. Here, as you can see, we have an overview of the submitted order that is waiting for approval. I will explain this in a separate video. So once you have submitted your order, you can go back to MySpace and you will find your document saved right there. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to check out more of our tutorials on skyspoc.com.